Hello everyone, it's 15th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have SC questions if ED is overstepping in Tamil Nadu liquor scam probe. Again, very important news. Then we have 20 killed, 16 injured in Jaisalmer bus fire. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have CM promises froth-free Yamuna to devotees during Chhath Puja. Very important again for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Maharashtra opposition seeks action to poll irregularities. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have Delhi air quality drops to poor after 3 months. GRAP 1 enforced. Again, very important for environment and pollution perspective. Moving forward, we have 42% OBC quota enhancement, will of people, says Telangana. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says the evolving political dynamics in volatile Bangladesh, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have powering up the Australia-India Clean Energy Partnership. Again, very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. Then we have inflation lessons. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have a green advantage in tractor exports. Again, very important news. Then we have cybercrime cases of cheating by personation surge in Karnataka. Again, very important news for science and tech perspective. Then we have balancing empowerment with economics. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, how innovation drives economic growth. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have India to train broader security force of Mongolia, says Prime Minister Modi. Very important for defense as well as international relations perspective. Then we have appoint nodal officers to trace missing children, says Supreme Court. Again, very important. Then we have WHO issues product alert on 3 contaminated oral liquid medicines. Very important for health perspective. Then we have Defense Minister calls for reinformed multilateralism, upholding global order. Again, very important for defense perspective. Moving forward, we have Google to invest $15 billion in AI data center in Vizag. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have IMS forecast India to grow 6.6% in 2025, cuts projection for next year. Again, a very important news. Moving forward, we have the world page. Trump to attend the signing of Thailand-Cambodia peace deal. Again, very important. Then we have Russia aerial attacks hits a Ukrainian hospital. Then we have UN says Russia struck an aid convoy in southern Ukraine. Then we have Madagascar army seizes power after its president is impeached. Then we have lastly truce outlook bleak as Israel delays aid, Hamas tightens the grip. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.